Hi guys, today we're going to be reviewing the Deebot ECOVACS N79S robot hoover. So I received this as a gift from family and I've been using it for a few months now. It's actually one of the best things that I own and something that I use every single day. So the hoover comes complete with a charger, some brushes, a remote control and a cleaning tool. So I'm just going to show you how it works. On the side of the hoover you've got this little flap that you can push down. We're going to give it a pull to reveal the dust collection tray. So we've got a filter inside and this filter is machine washable, which I think is really good. If you download the app, it does remind you when you need to replace the filter and when you need to replace other things like the brush. So the app is very handy. So let's set this little guy up. We can start by popping both of the brushes into the back of the hoover. Pop the batteries into the remote. It takes two AAA batteries and they are both supplied with the hoover. Let's charge the hoover now. So this is the mains adapter that you need to plug into the mains socket, and you also have a very handy holder here so you don't lose your remote control. Let's power it on. So the first time you charge it, you need to charge it for about 4 hours minimum, and this will give you a good few hours of use. Guys, so as you can see, it does a very good and thorough job, and the only surface that I wouldn't recommend is if you have a very fluffy carpet, but apart from that it works wonders on normal flooring, normal carpets. It's because of all the hair that I'm shedding. So my hair basically that is on the carpet seems to get tangled and entwined into the brushes, and then it would just get stuck, and then I'd have to remove the hair from the brushes and start it again. So the edge setting that we're using at the moment will clean the whole room, the edge of the whole room, and then once that's done I'll just select the auto setting, which will automatically clean the rest of the room, or I will just spot clean if I have a little bit more time on my hands. So let's have a look inside the flap to see how much rubbish we've collected in the first couple days of using it. This is the cleaning tool that comes with the Hoover, and it's got a very sharp knife in between the plastic, so be careful. It's so handy for cutting through all the rubbish and hair, which can be really hard to remove usually. So I definitely recommend using the tool to cut through everything and then just pulling everything out. It just makes cleaning so much easier. So yes guys, I would 100% recommend this product. I am 100% in love with it, and it saves me so much time. It's just so convenient, and if you'd like more information on it, please check the link below. I hope you've enjoyed this video.